is corrosion. The slow but spontaneous deterioration of metal due to their interaction with environment factors is called corrosion. Corrosion means zang. In our language we say that zang. For corrosions, presence of air, moisture, carbon dioxide, water and impurities are responsible. For example, rusting of iron. Okay. Rusting of irons means deposition of a brown colored on its surface. For example, rust means hydrated Fe2O3 X number of H2O, hydrated ferric oxide. And the other example is development of green coating on copper and bronze. And the prevention of corrosions is prevented by coating the metal surface with paint, oil or grease. And the next topic is rancidity. The taste and odor of food material containing fat and oil changes when they are kept exposed to air for a long time. This is called rancidity. It is caused due to oxidation of fat and oil present in food material, and it is prevented by using various methods, such as by adding antioxidant to the food materials, storing food in airtight container, and by flushing out air with nitrogen, etc. etc. Now the another reaction is exothermic reaction. Heat is evolved during the reaction, which is indicated by plus heat sign on the right hand side of the equation, and the equation is CaO plus H2O is equal to CaOH twice plus heat is evolved. And the another reaction is endothermic reaction. Heat is absorbed, which is indicated by putting plus heat sign on the left side of the equation. N2 plus O2 plus heat is absorbed, and the formula is 2NO, which is in the form of a gas. Okay, so now our chapter chemical reaction and equation has came to an end. Now we will move towards the exercise part, and that is our first question is balance the following equation, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the next question is write the types of following reaction: 1, 2, 3, 4 and last is 5. And there are some also questions. Answer the following. What does one mean by exothermic and endothermic reaction? Give example. And second question is what is a chemical reaction? And explain the following term: rancidity, corrosion and decomposition reaction. Okay.